Responsible borrowing is an essential aspect of personal financial management. It enables individuals to achieve significant milestones such as funding education, starting a business, or making a big purchase. Borrowing money can be a helpful tool when used wisely. Here are some tips to keep in mind when it comes to responsible borrowing.
I'm a taxi driver, and because of the situation, sales were not coming. Because of the introduction of these Uber taxis and the Yango and those things, we were not making money, so I couldn't meet my target. So these are some of the things why I couldn't pay my loan.
As part of its mandate to promote transparency and effective disclosure practices in the financial sector, Bank of Ghana wishes to bring to the attention of the general public key issues with regards to loan acquisition and repayment responsibilities and obligations of customers of banks and specialized deposit-taking institutions. Critically assess your capacity for the loan, that is, your repayment capabilities, prior to obtaining a loan facility.
What I consider before borrowing is the venture that I'm going to use the money for. That is key to me.
Borrowers are advised not to rush to acquire loans. Where possible, they may obtain and compare offers from multiple lenders before deciding on the best deal.
Well, if you are a cook, okay, one yana kegbe, wako kupako kai. What ye ke bona kemitashika fontana kemimbu ke bonima ko naka ke shincho. E woni ke sister ke lenoko. Nyami awo ka mem wa wi. Na woni e wo hu.
Prior to the signing of a loan agreement, lenders are required to give potential borrowers a pre-agreement truth in lending statement. This is similar to a pro forma invoice that summarizes the terms and conditions associated with the loan.
Answer no be loan biano ebia obeko bank okọ bank na your particular person na o hwe loan so. Nti say nimpa no e say otumi Emmanuel tin ho ase say ade oyi ameye no chinsunsuanso no say na besi no oji 2 months ana e diskana man.
Information on the pre-agreement truth in lending statement should include the interest rate of the credit facility, indicating whether it's fixed or variable, the annual percentage rate or APR, other fees and charges such as commissions, administrative or processing fees, commitment fees and insurance, the bundled products and services, repayment schedule, penal charges or late payment penalties, penalty rates and any other charges associated with the product, security deposits or savings required as a condition to acquire the loan, total amount to be paid back at the end of the loan period, among others. In taking the decision to accept a loan offer, customers should look out for interest rate, which in this case should be the annual percentage rate or the APR, which represents the total cost to be paid to the lender each year for the loan, expressed as a percentage. Note that the APR provides a broader measure of the cost that a borrower pays for taking a loan. The APR reflects not only the interest rate, but also all the other fees and charges that borrowers have to pay for the loan.
But if you go and take a loan that you know the interest is 10%, what you are going to venture into give you 20% so that you can pay your 10%. But if you go into you pick a loan and you are going to venture into that will give you 5%, you are in deficit. You need to pay.
You may compare the APR of your financial institution with those of other lenders in making the decision on where to apply for your loan. Take note of all the fees and charges associated with the loan, and these shall be disclosed in the loan agreement. Seek clarification from the lender in any language of your choice to gain the needed understanding of the loan products.
You see, Ghana, our problem is we don't read. Because he's in a hurry to borrow money, what he will tell you is, Mami signing, what will I say? You don't even read the terms and conditions of what his thing is saying. But later, you come back to you say, one can say.
Prior to signing any loan agreement, please read and ensure that you understand all the terms and conditions and seek professional advice if you need it.
So on them say you need me in shedding ye children, meet me I say you packing council now there. Ya type out in Equita, man can't cry. On them can me quack no and no me. Until the Akabiano on whom he has said, Mr. Beckesicano. Until you just under me in ego. Me once was sign. This is what sign there, and they say, maybe I will be able to.
Charges that are not disclosed to the borrower in the loan agreement will be considered null and void. Borrowers shall be due a refund of all such charges paid and may report to the Bank of Ghana if a lender fails to reverse such payments. If you desire to pay off a loan earlier than scheduled, the lender should provide you with the full outstanding amount to pay and allow you 20 working days from the date of receipt of the written request to effect full repayment. You may be charged an early settlement penalty. However, this should not exceed 0.25 of the principal amount of the loan. After signing the loan agreement and obtaining the facility, borrowers should adhere to the agreed terms and conditions, including the repayment of the facility. Your lender may be contacted where necessary to discuss any repayment challenges.
Sanika ya kolu e manyani ma pay. Adaka je mi iskani, je government iskani. Shimoko company ne wa mi ni mun sani ma wale. On your right aka sani ma pay.
Ke oto ya hello neta, no ni sano feji. Da ochie, sano nyomi onyi no o pay oshika.
Ke iyako esaka ma pay because mo leun eske kanchuni na no to yako. Wasa no fe shwa ko ba pay le. Ko pay le ye gbe na efio. Enough because both sign Danny I can have way.
Always remember to obtain a copy of the loan agreement duly signed by you and authorized representatives of the lender for your records.
There you have it. Borrow responsibly.